Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello you all, how are you today? I will tell you about our matter today, which is about the chemical treatment plants. First, let me explain about the chemical treatment system. Chemical treatment is usually used to neutralize both acid and alkali wastes, improve the process of sifting mute, separating undissolved solids, and oxidized color and poisons. Second, I would like to begin the presentation of the process of metabolizing liquid wasted by chemistry. First stage of neutralization. This is the stage in which acidic reaction to alkalis will produce salt and water. On the skin of water treatment, moisture level are 6.5 to 9.5. If the measure of acidity is less or less than the threshold, it is certain the liquid contains a toxic substance. Not only the elements of the creature inside or around it, but even bacteria can be effective. At the level of EPAL neutralizing this, a penetrative process is performed by batch and removal techniques. At the rate of 30 batch, it is done at a low rate of high quality. On the other hand, hydraulic techniques are used when the flow is massive. Passed to its precipitation, the wastewater section involves a reduction of solid material by adding dissolved chemical. This process produces a solid. This way of precipitation is done by adding special ingredients such as lime, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, salt, and chloride aluminum. They can be used in removing such heavy metal as sulfur, fluoride, phosphate, and sulfate. The third stage is coagulation and volation. In this segment, the conversion process takes place in the colloid pollution in the wastewater. The convert products come which can then be deposited so that treatment plant can produce clear water without any odor. Additionally, it requires a desalination process as a series of coagulation and volation. The purpose of this is to avoid any suggestion of force because of the bond. As for volation using cationic polymer and anionic, at this stage the water works become clearer and maximum. Water treatment designed on an application-specific basis. At Berkeley, we understand the water treatment component of the design is just as the mechanic components. As such, we consider water treatment throughout the entire design or build process, region to region. The local water quality will demand different levels of performance and efficiency from the water treatment program. Single cartridge filter holder assembly. We can provide complete pre-mounted panels for convenient operation, all evaporation condensers, cooling towers, and fluid coolers. As local water quality demands, we can also engineer and build necessary pre-treatment equipment such as softener and reverse osmosis machines to allow for more efficient operation in the long run. In today's war of expensive energy, it is more vital than ever for that exchange equipment to be kept free and insulating deposits that promote high energy consumption. The four principal sources of these deposits in the case of water cooling system are scale, corrosion, biological growth, and sludge. These factors are important for not a reason. They have a direct effect on equipment life. Third, I would like to explain the excess and lack of wastewater treatment system. 1. Surplus. Chemically treated in wastewater, the time and areas needed are much smaller than those used in physics and biology. 2. Shortage. The cost of chemical processing are higher than those of physics and biology. And lastly, my recommendation was a chemical process in the wastewater treatment plant not used as the first processing process. Okay, friends, all. The conclusion of today's matter is wastewater is all that remains of human activity, but domestic and other activities like industry. Three characteristics of wastewater are those of physics, chemical characteristic, and biology characteristic. That's all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.